Okay. So the main idea is that we're mixing together pre-production planning, production from cameras, production from Gen AI, and whatever post-production VFX is with AI. Just trying to keep the models all in one shared space. Over here, you can see the full storyboard layout. If we update any of the videos with a new one, it'll update the storyboard accordingly. We can still change any of these parts over here. So while that video is playing up there, I'm already gonna switch over here. We can also do direct camera recordings for many of these things too, so that helps for some of these effects where you want to be able to record something live action first, and then that live action version gets contributed as a take up into the project, and then that recorded video just becomes another take within the queue, and you can use that as the starting point for more AI effects later on top of it. So this would now be, same thing. Actually, I can't select it as a crew member. As one member of the crew filming something, you have the rights to film, but actually there's one storyteller. And that storyteller actually has this notion for what the whole story is going to be. And so they have the means to be able to control and say, hey, what's the order of the shots that I want? Which one do I like? Which one's the best take? And so that interface in this project, I'll show you sort of that interface over here. So say we actually really liked that new version that we generated, right? So we like this instead. As the project owner, instead of using this one, which is the current selected take up here, we could update it and say, okay, I really want to use this one instead. So I'm going to select it. Oops, don't want to delete it. Nope, don't delete. Select. Okay, so this is now the new first shot of the sequence. Since these are all in the cloud, we already have a live preview of the new version where it just plays through all the different clips inside of it so we can get our visualization. If we like our live preview, we can save it. The saved version allows us to download the MP4 that we're creating, which is sort of the audio mixed together with the visuals. And if we like all of the assets that are in there, we can export an archive. In this case, this archive is like a zip file, which is sort of everything we've selected. So it would have all of these video clips in order so that someone can hit the ground running for a final edit, if that's your thing. But really, it's not too shabby. This is what pops out immediately after the live save. I didn't re-render it, so we'd swap one piece of media if I re-rendered it.